Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this Motorola. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Now click on System. From here, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gbert. Lastly, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just tap on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!